Howdy everyone, tomorrow's class is going to be a fun one and we will be covering how to wash your hands as a healthcare professional. I first want you to go to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention website. That is www.cdc.gov. In the search box, type in hand washing and then click search for that. Then the first link that should pop up is hand washing : clean hands save lives. This site provides a ton of information for you to view. Goes over the ins and outs of washing hands, why we should wash hands, the proper way to wash hands. There's even a video for you to watch where someone covers how to wash the hands and the steps of that. It also goes over the use of hand sanitizer and when that use is appropriate versus not appropriate to use. So you need to pay particular attention to how you need to make sure to wash underneath fingernails and the creases of your hands, such as your knuckles. Most people just go up to a sink and start washing their hands just like this and then done. You, as a healthcare professional, need to make sure you get in between the webs of your fingers, underneath the fingernails, these little creases right here, because bacteria just loves to hide in these particular areas. So after you watch that, you can go ahead and come back to this video. So what I would like for you to do now is pause this video, go over to the CDC website, look at all the information that you can get your hands on about hand washing, and then come back to me because I have some questions to go over with you. Welcome back. I hope you learned a great deal from the CDC website. Now I'm going to go over 5 questions in regard to what you should have just learned from the CDC, and you need to bring your answers to class tomorrow to turn in at the beginning of class to receive full credit for this activity and assignment. So question number 1, how long should you scrub your hands in seconds when performing hand washing? Again, how long should you scrub your hands in seconds when performing hand washing? The next question, true or false, hand sanitizers should remove all germs and chemicals from your hands. True or false, hand sanitizers remove all germs and chemicals from your hands. The next question, question number 3, should you use soap and water or hand sanitizers when your hands are visibly soiled? Should you use soap and water or hand sanitizers when your hands are visibly soiled? And visibly soiled, of course, I mean like in the healthcare field, if you have blood on your hands, because that does happen. Human matter, whether that's urine, feces, things like that. Dirt, grease, any number of things can get on your hands working in the healthcare environment. So what should you use, soap or water or hand sanitizers? Question number 4, true or false? Studies have shown that hand washing can prevent 1 in 3 diarrheal related illnesses and 1 in 5 respiratory related illnesses. True or false? Studies have shown that hand washing can prevent 1 in 3 diarrheal related illnesses and 1 in 5 respiratory illnesses. Question 5 is, what do you find most confusing about the process of hand washing? So this covers what we've gone over in this video, what you learned on the CDC website. Write down your questions of your most confusing information on your paper and to turn into class tomorrow, and hopefully we will answer all your questions tomorrow with our learning activity. So that is all I have for you. Be sure to bring your answers to class to receive full credit, like I said before. Then be prepared to wash your hands tomorrow in a fun, competitive learning activity. We're going to get into groups of 4 or 5 students, and we're going to go through some scenarios, and you will earn points for correctly identifying what kind of hand washing you need to perform and actually performing that hand washing in front of me, the teacher. Okay? Thank you. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.